Welcome to this Ready to Craft. In this video, I will show you how to create this dazzling wreath using Readi-Board. To begin, I've attached two pieces of Readi-Board together and allowed them to dry. The base of my wreath only needs to be about 6 inches wide, so I'm going to cut the board down and set aside the rest for later projects. I'm going to measure and mark my other 6-inch edge. Then also find the center point of this square. To draw my circle, I'm going to use a piece of string and a thumbtack. On the other end, I'm going to tie a lark's head knot onto my pencil. Tighten that knot until your pencil is at the correct point. Then hold the thumbtack and draw. To do the interior circle, simply shorten the string and follow the same steps. A new blade in your hobby knife will make cutting easier. I tend to cut my interior circle first. I have my base made, my hot glue guns warmed up, and my paper straws are ready. I picked up these striped straws at my local dollar store, making this project not only fun, but inexpensive. Attach your straw with a little bit of hot glue. Allow the end of the straw to hang over the edge of the foam board on the inside just a little bit. On the inside of my wreath, I want the ends of my straws to touch, but I'm leaving a gap on the exterior. Continue working until you've gone all the way around. I want my next row of straws slightly shorter than the first. To make cutting my straws easier, I'm going to use a piece of masking tape on my cutting board. I'll measure and cut the masking tape to how long I need the straw to be. This way I can just hold the straw up to the tape and cut. You want this row of straws to set in between the first. I wasn't happy with how the outside edge of the straw kept sinking down, so I'm going to use the small piece that we removed to act as a brace. I'll glue all the small ends of the straws first, and then go back and cover it up with my longer pieces. the glue sets, I'm trying to make sure that the straw sits perfectly in between the two on the layer below it. Now that I've made it all the way around, we get to move on to our blue straws. Once again, using my tape method, I've already cut these in half. Before I start gluing, I'm going to pick away any of those pesky glue strings. Like before, glue on the straws so that they sit in between the two red ones on the layer beneath it. Notice how I'm making sure all of the ends of the straws line up on the inside. For my final layer, I've cut my blue straws into thirds. The multiple layers of striped straws give a nice kaleidoscope effect and is very eye-catching. Once my final layer is done, we're going to flip the project over. To create a simple hanging point, I'm going to use a pop tab. Bend it slightly. Then attach to the back with hot glue. This will let your wreath sit perfectly on a nail or a screw. If you need a little more length, you can tie a ribbon through the hole of the pop tab. You can display this wreath as is, or add a festive bow to dress it up. If you try this craft out, we'd love to see it. Our social media links can be found in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's a foam board craft that you would like to see a ready to craft of, let us know in the comments.